So, good evening, everyone. In today's video, we are going to investigate a situation that's been raising a lot of eyebrows. So, it seems that telecom companies might be taking advantage of us, and today I'm going to dig into this issue using Linux. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So, stay tuned and let's get to the bottom of this together. Alright, so right now I'm going to ping Google. So I just want to check if I'm online. It's nothing fancy. So I'm going to ping Google and let's see the response. So it says 5 packet transmitted. So basically, like, I don't have data at the moment, so I'm not online. Yes. And if I check my data bundles right now, I'd find out that I just have midnight bundle, and I don't have any active data bundle, so I won't be able to access the internet. Okay, so right now I'm about to buy data. About to buy about 400 megabytes of data, so we see how this goes. So I've just bought 500 megabytes of data, and yeah, let's try pinging Google. So okay, we've got a good response. We have 5 packets transmitted, 5 received, and 0 packet loss, as compared to the first one where we had 5 packets transmitted, 100% loss, and then no packets received. So that's okay. We are online. That's good to know. So right now we are going to get into the main thing, and that's disabling all the internet except for that of my terminal. So the main intention behind this is to make sure that no other background applications are able to access the internet and use data behind the scenes. I'm using data straight from my MiFi, which means that there's no way that an application, I don't think there's any application on the MiFi or any piece of code that consumes data. Its job is just to provide Wi-Fi to my computer. So I'm going to disable all background applications here, and then the only thing that I'll have access to the internet is my terminal. And then from there we are going to now try to download a file of a specific size, and then we are now going to compare. We are now going to see how much data we consume, and then we are now going to compare that amount to the amount of data we bought on. We are going to create 2 groups, a no internet group and an internet group, and then we are going to add the myself to that group. Oh, okay. It turns out I had already created a group earlier, so that's okay. Okay, so then we are going to add myself to that group. User mod ag no internet, and then internet. Alright, then after that we are going to clear existing rules. So sudo, I'm just going to write some commands. You don't have to be technical, you just have to follow along, that's all. And then I'm going to allow internet for the internet group. So I created 2 groups earlier, and then this is to allow just internet for one of the groups. That's the internet group, and that's what we are going to launch the terminal through. The terminal is going to be contained inside the internet group, and all other applications are going to be in the no internet group. Alright, and then we are going to allow local loop back. Just some networking stuff. You don't it's not really, you don't have to know. It's just like, it's just some commands basically. Yeah. And then this is to block all other outgoing traffic. And let me see. So yeah, that's okay. So let's see. So output reject. All right. And then the IPv6 rules. Okay. Let's see something. All right. So we've blocked all outgoing traffic, and yeah, that's okay. Yeah, we could work with that. So right now we've got two groups, and then we allowed internet for the internet group, and then we've blocked internet access for all other groups. Okay, so that's cool. All right, so then what we are going to do now is we are going to try to launch the terminal from the internet group. So internet, and then gnome terminal. Let's see. All right, so we have another terminal. So we've got a brand new terminal open here. So that's okay. So this is the terminal with internet access. So let's see. So ping Google. All right, so it works well. Now if we try to access internet anywhere else, we should see that it doesn't work basically. So let me demonstrate that. I'm going to open my browser. So let's see. Let me try. Just try googling anything, and it says we don't have internet. All right, there's no internet here. But then if we try, let me do that. Let me try again. Ghana. Nope. We still don't have. We still aren't able to access the internet. Okay, but if we come to our terminal here. Sorry. If we come to our terminal here, you should notice that we have internet access. So let me ping Google one more time. Yes, so this terminal is the only application on my computer that has internet access. All right, so what next? What we are going to do is we are going to run this command, and this is the main thing. So we are going to download a 1 gigabyte file, but we expect to use 400 megabytes, and we are going to see if the amount of data spent is equal to the amount of data we've bought. So let's try that. So VN start is just a metering software, that's all for Linux, and then wget is just just a fetch command basically. So we are fetching it, and this is just to tell VN start to close safely, even if the download doesn't complete. Let's run that and let's see. So we are downloading the application. We are downloading a 1 gigabyte file, as you can see. So let's wait this through. Let's see how it goes.
So alright, so at the end we've used about 396.27 megabytes. That's our total downloaded data from VN and then it shows here that we have used 377.69 megabytes, but that includes losses as well, so we are not going to use that. So we are going to use the 396.27 megabytes. That's the amount of traffic that has gone through our Wi-Fi network card. All right, that's okay, that's good. And 396 megabytes, I think it's about 400 megabytes. Yes, so if you do the conversion, you get about 400 megabytes, which means that the amount of data I bought is equal to the amount of data that we spend. So MTN isn't cheating us. We are safe. So yes, it's probably our network settings. So I think we should check our background applications. Yes. All right, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This is my first ever video on a subject. As a matter of fact, I don't think I've ever recorded a video before. So yeah, this is my first ever video, and I'm glad that you took time to pay attention to this. Let me know what you think. You could. I'd like to see your responses. So yeah, leave a like and see you later, I guess. Have a great day.